Jaha Bhagavato Pada Vaishnavera Stane Anta Asrayakara Chaitanya Charane Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jannavalabha Giridharadhari Jaya Gopi Jannavalabha Giridharadhari Jaya Gopi Jannavalabha Sisi Jagannath Balaram Subhadri Cakra Sudarshan ki jai. Jai jai si Gauranitai ki jai. Jai jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai. All glories to Srimad Bhagavatam. Segala pujian pada Swamaya. Segala pujian pada Swamaya. Segala pujian pada Sisi Guru dan Sisi Gauranitai Guru Premanandi. Omagyanatimirandasya Gyanam Salakaya Yaksuranmritanyena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Gaura Govinda Swami Niti Namine. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Devi Shesha Sunyavadi Pachakyate Satarine. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nanda Lila Maya Vigrahaya, Premapadidya Chavisundaraya, Tasmai Mahaprema Rasapradaya, Sri Chaitanya Chandraya, Namo Namaste. Sri Chaitanya Chandraya, Namo Namaste. Sri Chaitanya Chandraya, Namo Namaste. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Hare Krishna.
Benar. Udah jago masuk ke bahasa Inggris.
Saya nggak zoom. Tirtapat. Profesor.
Ya Ustaz mah.
Kemarin yang kontak luar kota katanya.
Oh.
Biasanya minggu siang pada acara agama di Pulau sudah di grup sudah bisa di grup
Jadi senang sekali kita bisa hadir di sini dan juga sekitar 2 minggu yang lalu ya. 3 minggu yang lalu kita juga sebenarnya ingin hadir di sini, tapi karena pada saat yang sama saudara yang lain hadir di sini sudah tidak ada. Jadi ya sebenarnya ketika itu dari semuanya untuk sini.
She already started.
Pada saat yang sama Prabu sama Sunda sudah di sini, jadi kami balik lagi ke Banyuwangi.
So Maharaj said actually 3 weeks ago we Prabhu and Mataji and Maharaj supposed to come here, but because Syama Sundar Prabhu have to come here, then Sundarananda Maharaj go to Banyuwangi, not go to Surabaya.
Salah saya betul 2 kali ini ada di sini ya. Iya,
little bit louder.
This is the second time Sundarananda Maharaj come here. Sundarananda Maharaj asking about one Prabhu, Raja Raj Prabhu, but he didn't come today, so Sundarananda Maharaj will spare time to go there to visit Raja Raj Prabhu. So this afternoon, Sundarananda Maharaj will read about one book and one topic that maybe we can learn together. It's from Srila Param Gurudev Gaur Govinda Swami Maharaj. This book is very good to be talked about and discussed about all the topic that discussed there. And this afternoon we will be discuss one topic about
kepuasan Guru dan Krishna.
For the pleasure of Guru and Krishna.
Di sini ada ringkasannya.
The summary is
simplicity. Jadi kualitas dari seorang murid adalah kesederhanaan. A true Vaishnava does everything for the pleasure of Krishna. Vaishnava yang sesungguhnya melakukan segala sesuatu untuk kepuasan kepentingan Krishna. Broken person who externally pose as a devotee cannot become followers of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Orang-orang yang penuh kemunafikan yang hanya secara luarnya saja menampilkan dirinya sebagai seorang penyembah tidak dapat menjadi pengikut si Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dalam arti yang sebenarnya. Seorang Vaishnava yang dalam arti yang sebenarnya.
a real Vaishnava.
Anak harus mengembangkan kesederhanaan. You should
Have developed simplicity.
Tinggalkanlah kepalsuan,
Leave all the
Politik,
falseness, politic,
kemunafikan.
and crookedness.
Kitab suci juga para Vaishnava Acarya mengatakan kesederhanaan
Sastra
adalah
and Acharya
sifat
said
dari
that
seorang
simplicity is Vaishnavism.
Simplicity is a Vaishnavism. Orang yang mempunyai sifat sederhana,
People who
secara
have
alamiah,
simplicity
dia adalah seorang
as
Vaishnava.
in nature is a Vaishnava.
Jadi karena itu penting sekali kita mengembangkan sifat yang sederhana ini,
So it's very important for us to develop a simplicity
mengembangkan kepalsuan,
and
politik,
not develop
ya,
crookedness and politics
kemunafikan dan sebagainya seperti itu.
or
Karena
duplicity,
itu adalah sifat-sifat daripada
because
asurik ataupun sifat
because that is
raksasa.
an asuric or raksasa.
Setelah Gurudev mengatakan di sini, saya ingin kalian semua menjadi seorang
Srila Gaur Govinda Swami
Vaishnava.
Maharaj said, I want
Vaishnava
all of you to
dalam
become a
arti yang
Vaishnava,
sebenarnya.
a real Vaishnava.
Jangan menjadi hipokrit.
Don't be hypocrite.
Palsuannya, ya, palsuannya. Jangan mengembangkan kepalsuan.
Don't be a hypocrite.
Hanya Vaishnava di luarnya saja,
Only Vaishnava outwardly
tetapi di dalamnya
But
adalah
innerly
mentalitas asura.
have asuric mentality.
Ya. Dan di dalamnya penuh dengan
And inside
politik.
we full of politics.
Jika Anda melakukan seperti itu, bertindak
If you
seperti
do
itu,
like that
maka
and
Anda
act
disebut
like that,
sebagai Kalicela.
then you
Ya.
are called Kalicela.
Guru Cela ataupun
Not
Gaura
Guru
Cela.
Chela or Gaura Chela, but you are
Ataupun
Kali Chela
pengikut daripada Kali.
or the followers of Kali.
Seorang sadhu Vaishnava,
A sadhu Vaishnava
ya, memiliki banyak pengikut.
have a lot of followers.
Mereka disebut sebagai chelas. Pengikut artinya
We
chela
call it
artinya pengikut.
Chelas. Chelas mean followers.
Jika Anda hanya di luarnya saja
If you
menampilkan diri
only
sebagai seorang
present
Waisnawa,
yourself outwardly as a Vaisnava.
ya, dengan pakaian sebagai Waisnawa,
With
tila,
a Vaisnava, Kantimala, Doti, Tila, Kurta, etc.
dan bawa japa kemana-mana,
And bring japas
mengucapkan
everywhere,
mantra Hare Krishna.
chanting Maha Mantra Hare Krishna.
Tetapi
But
di dalam hati
inside
kita,
your
di dalam
heart,
pikiran,
inside your mind,
crooked,
full of crookedness.
Crooked artinya kemunafikan, ya. Crooked.
Iya. Oh, gimana?
Muka dia.
Kan
Bukan, jadi penuh kepalsuan.
Palsuan.
Ya.
It's full of
Duplicious.
crookedness.
Ya.
Duplicious.
Duplicious. Duplicious.
Muka dua.
dua.
Muka dua.
Muka dua. Ya.
Muka dua.
Lain di bibir, lain di hati. Seperti
Duplicity means you say
Pretentious.
something else but you think something else.
Ya.
Pretentious.
Ya, orang yang seperti itu kalau kita bertindak
A
seperti itu,
hypocrite
artinya kita
person,
tidak memiliki
if we act like that,
kesederhanaan.
it's mean that we don't have simplicity in our heart.
Maka
So
itu Anda disebut sebagai kali cela.
that's why we called as Kali Chela, not a devotee.
Anda tidak bisa menjadi pengikut dari Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
You cannot become a Sri
Ini
Chaitanya
adalah
Mahaprabhu's
hal yang
follower.
sangat penting.
This is very important.
Kembangkanlah
Develop
kesederhanaan.
a simplicity,
Develop simplicity. Bukan kepalsuan,
not a crookedness,
bukan duplicity,
not a duplicity,
ya. Bukan juga berpolitik, ya.
also not developing politics.
Bermain politik di kalangan para penyembah, ya.
Don't play politics in the devotees.
Bermain politik setiap
If you want to
5 tahun
play
sekali
politics,
disiapkan arena.
You have 5 years election in our country,
Ya.
but we have to spare a lot of money.
Beberapa penyembah kita
We see a lot of our devotees very eager to have a position in politics
DPR pusat,
as
daerah dan sebagainya. Ya. Rajin hampir 1 tahun penuh.
they
Bahkan
do
hampir 2 tahun.
campaign almost in 2 years, every day going out
Suara.
to
Tapi
get
akhirnya gagal.
a vote, but it's
Uang keluar
failed.
banyak dan sebagainya.
They lose a lot of money and they lose a lot of time.
Inilah hal yang dibutuhkan. Artinya apa yang sangat dibutuhkan untuk kita,
This is what
ya,
we really need
disayangi oleh guru dan Gauranga.
to be loved by Guru and Gauranga. It means that as a devotee, we have to develop a simplicity. Simplicity is a Vaishnavism. Simplicity is
sifat wajah dari seorang
a
Vaishnava.
nature of Vaishnava.
Maka Anda akan menjadi disayangi oleh Guru dan Krishna.
Then you will be loved by Guru and Krishna.
Menjelaskan, setelah Guru menjelaskan,
Sila
then
Gurudev,
you
Sila
can
Guru
become
Swami said,
very dear to Guru and Krishna.
then you will be very dear to Guru and Krishna.
Kemudian Anda sangat disayang oleh Guru dan Krishna. Ketika kita sudah disayang oleh Guru dan Krishna,
When we are
maka
loved by
dengan
Guru
mudah
and Krishna,
sekali
then
untuk
easily
mengembangkan
we can
kualifikasi
develop
sebagai seorang Vaishnava.
Vaishnava qualification.
Jika tidak demikian, ya,
If we are not doing that,
ya, Anda tidak dapat menjadi seorang Vaishnava dalam arti
then we
yang
cannot
sebenarnya.
become a real Vaishnava.
Maka penyerahan diri Anda tidak lengkap.
Then our surrender is not
Itu
complete.
penyerahan diri kita pada Guru ketika kita
We are surrendering to
sederhana,
Guru and Krishna without
artinya
simplicity,
penuh kemunafikan,
with
penuh
duplicity,
dengan kepalsuan,
with crookedness,
ya, politik seperti
with
itu.
politics.
Ya. Maka penyerahan
Then
diri kita
our surrender to Guru is only partial. Maybe like 10%, 20%, or 50%, but not full
Ataupun
surrender.
penyerahan diri dengan bersyarat seperti itu.
Or we are surrendering with condition.
Jadi dalam penyerahan diri hendaknya tidak ada
When we are
syarat dan
surrendering
tidak
to
bersifat partial.
Gurudev, we have to do it
Fully surrender.
unconditionally and
Seperti di dalam
holy.
Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna
In
menyatakan
Bhagavad
dalam
Gita,
bab
Sri Krishna
18,
said
48,
on
Sarvadharma
verse
Parityaja,
1868,
Mamekam Saranam
Sarva Ekam Pari.
tinggalkan segala
Sarva Dharma
dharma dan
Parityaja,
hanya
Mam Ekam
berserah
Saranam
diri
Braja.
kepadaku.
Leave all the duties,
Dengan
leave
cara
all your
seperti
dharma,
itu,
only surrender to me.
Aham Tuam Sarva Papedio
And with
Moksha
that,
Sami Masucara.
Hang
Ketika kita
Tuam Sarva
berserah diri
Bevyo,
sepenuhnya
Moksha
kepada
Shami
Guru dan
Muscha.
Krishna,
If we are surrendered
maka
fully to Guru and Krishna, then
akan
Krishna
mengambil tanggung jawab sepenuhnya
will take care of
Ya.
us fully
dan membebaskan kita dari
and
segala
will
yang
free
dosa.
us from all their sin reaction.
We want to be 10% Vaishnava. Ya. Jadi setelah Guru ada menyatakan
Srila
di sini,
Param Buddha
kita
Bhagavata
hendaknya
Swami said,
betul-betul menginginkan untuk menjadi
we want to be
Vaishnava
100%
100%.
Vaishnava, 100% Vaishnava.
Menjadi Vaishnava dalam arti yang sebenarnya.
It means we have to be
100%
a real
surrender
Vaishnava and
100% berserah
10% surrender, 100% surrendering to Guru,
Tidak
and
40%,
not only
ataupun
40%,
tidak 50%.
not only 50%.
Jadi seseorang yang telah mengembangkan Krishna Prema, dia yang
Someone
dapat
who
berserah
develop
diri.
Krishna Prema,
Jika tidak
will
demikian,
surrender.
seorang tidak dapat sepenuhnya berserah diri.
if not, they will not fully surrender.
Sampai Anda menjadi orang yang sangat sederhana, Anda
Until-
tidak dapat mengembangkan
Until
Krishna
you are
Prema.
developing a simplicity, then you cannot achieve Krishna Prema.
Saya ingin bahwa kalian semua menjadi penyembah dalam arti yang sebenarnya.
I want all of you to become a real devotees, a true devotees.
Menjadi Vaishnava dalam arti yang sebenarnya pula.
Become a Vaishnava in the real
Vaishnava
definition.
devotee do everything for the pleasure of Krishna and nothing for his own pleasure.
A Vaishnava only
dalam
to-
arti yang sebenarnya, ya, dia ingin lakukan segala sesuatu untuk kepuasan Guru dan Krishna.
A Vaishnava, a true Vaishnava always want to do everything for the pleasure of Guru and Krishna, not for himself.
Kita melakukan kegiatan di dunia material ini
In
adalah
general,
untuk
we are
kepuasan
doing
diri kita,
everything for
kepuasan
our
keluarga,
pleasure,
anak-anak, masyarakat, dan
family,
sebagainya.
children,
Bukan untuk memuaskan
society,
Guru dan Krishna.
not for Guru and Krishna.
Jadi kalau keinginan kita bukan untuk kepuasan Guru dan Krishna, maka kita akan menerima reaksi.
If
baik
we
dan
are
buruk
doing
di dunia material.
our action for the pleasure of others, then we will get a
Tapi
reaction.
jika kita
But if we
melakukan
do
sepenuhnya untuk kepuasan
everything
Guru dan
fully
Krishna,
for
maka
Guru
kita
and
terbebas
Krishna
dari segala
satisfaction,
reaksi baik dan
then we are
buruk.
freed from all the
Itulah
reaction,
disebut dengan
good or
transcendental,
bad reaction.
yang bersifat rohani.
That
Ya.
is
Di
the
luar
transcendental
pengaruh tribuna.
level.
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur
It's
mengatakan,
outside the Triguna
Kawa
level.
suka sara, nija suka lagi, kicu nani kari ara. Saya tidak ingin melakukan segala sesuatu untuk kepuasan saya.
I don't want to do anything for my pleasure.
Saya akan lakukan segala
I will
sesuatu
do
untuk
everything
kepuasan Anda.
for your pleasure.
Jadi Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur mengajarkan di sini.
Srila
beliau
Bhaktivinoda
mengatakan
Thakur
lagu ini dia.
teach us in this song.
Kawa suka sara, ninja suka lagi, icunani kara ara. Artinya, saya tidak ingin melakukan apapun untuk kepuasan
I
diri
don't
saya
want to
sendiri.
do anything for
Saya
my
ingin
pleasure.
melakukan segala
I
sesuatu
only
hanya untuk
want to do
kepuasan
everything
Anda.
for your pleasure.
Inilah Vaishnava dalam arti yang sebenarnya.
This is the true Vaishnava.
Nah, sekarang di sini dikutip cerita ya, di Sandipani Muni. Ya. Jadi ketika Krishna sudah kembali dari Vrindavan,
Sundarana Maharaj tell one story about when Krishna go to Vrindavan, picked by Akrura, and Akrura asked Krishna to go to Mathura.
dan
At that time, Krishna
di
8 or 10 years
tidak ada
old,
sekolah.
and in Vrindavan there is no
Krishna
school.
hanya
Krishna's only
mengembalakan sapi, anak-anak sapi setiap hari seperti
go to herding the
Dan
cow,
ya, tidak bersekolah.
and
Karena
he
itu,
didn't attend any
ketika
school. So when Akrura picked Krishna and Krishna staying in Mathura, then Vasudeva sent Krishna to Sandipani Muni ashram.
Dan ketika beliau belajar di sana di bawah
When they learned their
tuntunan dari Sandipani Muni Resi, ya,
in Sandipani Muni's ashram,
ibu guru
and one time Bruma said,
"Oh
"Oh my child,
potong pun
we don't even have one
kayu bakar."
wood, one log.
Jadi karena tidak ada kayu bakar, bagaimana
So
ibu
if
bisa
I
masak?
don't have any log of wood, then I
Maka
cannot cook.
pergilah kalian ke hutan
So
untuk
please go
mencari
to the
kayu
forest
api.
and ask for and
Di sini
take
sudah mengatakan bahwa
wood
Krishna
for
adalah personal Tuhan Yang Maha Esa.
cooking.
Ya.
And
Sebenarnya hanya dengan
it is said
keinginan
that Krishna is the personality of Godhead. Only by His will,
ya, bertruk-truk
then
kayu bakar bisa hadir
tons
di
of
sana.
tons
Tapi
wood
karena
log
beliau
will come, will be
bertindak
there.
sebagai seorang
But
murid, beliau
because
ingin
He
memberikan
act
contoh.
like a
Maka beliau
student
bersama
assistia, then He
Balaram,
give us
Krishna
an
dan
example.
juga
And then Krishna, Balaram, and Sudama
pergi bersama-sama ke tengah hutan dengan
go
membawa kapak,
went together,
membawa alat-alat
bringing an
untuk,
ox
untuk mencari kayu bakar gitu.
for
Dan
finding a
Krishna
wood.
menyusun sedemikian rupa
And Krishna arranged
Krishna's will, apapun yang diinginkan oleh Krishna,
everything
maka
by His
segala
sweet will.
pengaturan dilakukan secara sempurna.
Then all the arrangement
Kemudian sudah lewat, sudah sore,
arranged
kemudian
perfectly. At
hujan
that
lebat,
time it's noon already,
storm,
and then there is a big storm,
ada siklon dan sebagainya, sehingga
cyclone.
mereka bertiga tidak bisa
So
pulang.
three of them cannot go
Dan
back to the
sepanjang
ashram,
hari, sepanjang malam beliau
and
menggigil
a
dan
whole
berdiri
night and
di
a
bawah
whole
pohon. Dan
a whole
ketika
night
itu,
they waiting.
malamnya, ya,
i-
Sandipani Muni Resi dan istrinya
In the bottom of the tree, shivering because it's heavy rain there. And Sandipani Muni keep thinking, where are they? They also cannot sleep because he thinks about these three Sisya. They didn't come back yet. And in the morning, very early in the morning, Sandipani Muni, when he saw that it's possible to pick to go to the forest, then he directly go to the forest by himself, and then shouting Krishna, Balaram, and then in one place Sandipani Muni saw Krishna, Balaram, and Sudama near the big tree and shivering. And at that time Sandipani Muni said,
beliau melakukan seperti itu karena ada kewajiban dan seorang murid untuk melaksanakan perintah guru.
It is said that Krishna did it because he want to give us an example how to do Guru's order. At that time Krishna is a Sisya, so that's why he gave us an example how he did Guru's order. And for give pleasure to Guru, even it's very difficult. Is it even if it possible or not possible?
Kita sendiri, ya, orang harus tetap melakukannya.
We have to do that.
Ya.
Although it's
How
very
difficult
hard.
it may be.
How difficult it
To
may
please
be.
Guru, however difficult it may be, however operable or unoperable it may be, for oneself, one should do it. Krishna was teaching us this. Jadi Krishna mengajarkan hal kita seperti ini. Betapapun sulitnya, betapapun keadaannya, mungkin
Even
tidak
though it's
mendukung untuk
very
kita.
difficult,
Ya, contohnya seperti
favorable
Prabhupada,
or unfavorable,
kan tidak mudah.
we have to do that. For example, Srila Prabhupada, it's very difficult for him to do Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati's order to teach Krishna consciousness to the Western country. He prepared himself for almost 54 years, and after he think that he is ready, he is a sannyas already. Before he think that I have to be rich first, then I will do my job. But Guru and Krishna wants a different thing. All of his business is bankrupt. Even his wife reject him because he don't have any money.
Beliau juga sebenarnya sudah menerjemahkan Bhagavad Gita, sudah
And actually Srila Prabhupada already translate Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, but because his wife is addicted to tea, all the translation of Bhagavad Gita, she sells it for getting tea and sugar. And at that time Srila Prabhupada said, which one you choose, me or tea? And his wife chose the tea. Maybe his wife think it's only a flying thing, but Srila Prabhupada take it seriously, and at that night Srila Prabhupada left the house because he thinks my wife didn't need me anymore, so he go to Mathura and take sannyas from his guru, and he lives in Vrindavan translating Bhagavatam, giving Bhagavad Gita commentary and all other things, and every day, every night he cleans Samadhi Mandir of Srila Rupa Goswami and cry there. And even there's one devotee, so that Srila Prabhupada crying every night in front of Srila Rupa Goswami Samadhi and pray that he can fulfill all of his guru's order. And even if Srila Prabhupada got rejected so many times from the cargo ship from India to America, and finally Srimati Maranji can fulfill his Srila Prabhupada's desires, and Srila Prabhupada can go to America. And of course, living in others' country only with 2 weeks visa or 1 month visa, but finally because of arrangement of Krishna, he can stay there for a long time and starting Krishna consciousness movement there. Even when he's on journey in the ship, he got 2 times heart attacks, and Srila Prabhupada pray, "Oh Krishna, if you want me to fulfill this mission, please arrange everything. But if you think that I'm not suitable for these duties, so I'm no problem. Just please take my soul." Then Srila Prabhupada pray like this, and Krishna took control of that ship. Even before the ship have to counter big storm, big wave, but after that the ship sails nicely, just like the sea is without the wave, because it's very smooth, and all the people in the ship, even the ship crew said, "Oh Srila Prabhupada, we will go to India. Please come with us, because when you are in the ship with us, we are sailing very smoothly." But Srila Prabhupada desire not to have smooth sailing, but to do his guru's order. That is a real sisya.
Jadi sepanjang malam dijelaskan
So, back to that story, Krishna, Balaram, and Sudama.
Di bawah hujan lebat malam dan sebagainya. Sehingga ketika Sandipani Muni bertemu dengan Krishna dan
Suffering
Balaram
because of the big and heavy rain, and Sandipani Muni because
kemudian
he
dia
is
mengatakan seperti ini. Anda adalah murid yang
very anxious about his Sishya, and after Sandipani Muni made them, they say, Sandipani Muni said, "You are a Sat Sishya, you are a true Sishya." In general, everybody loves their
Jadi
body.
badan ini adalah sangat disayang. Kita sangat menyayangi badan kita.
We really love
Betul nggak?
our body.
Ya,
Yes or no?
ada sedikit masuk angin aja kita sudah
Even when we
Ya.
counter just a little bit
pasti ingin beli pel angin seperti itu.
hot
Kami juga
or
seperti itu ya.
cold, then
Ya.
we directly
Karena
buy a
kasih menyayangi
medicine
badan ini.
because we love this body very much.
Everyone want to give pleasure and comfort to their bodies. Jadi setiap orang ingin memberikan kepuasan dan kenyamanan untuk badannya. Ya, karena itu ya, setiap orang di dunia materi ini memang
So everybody in this material world want to give satisfaction for his body and his
karena itu
mind.
berbagai macam lembaga pendidikan,
That's why a lot
penemuan-penemuan
of
ilmiah dan sebagainya
education
semuanya
institute,
mengacu kepada
scientific
keinginan untuk kepuasan
institute,
indria.
they only want to
Dan
find
karena ini juga
satisfaction for
menyebabkan
the
kemajuan
sense.
di bidang teknologi, ilmu
And-
pengetahuan dan sebagainya di sisi lainnya, ya. Karena itu ada listrik, ada kipas angin,
And that's why we
ada apa namanya, ada aircon dan sebagainya. Ya. Jadi itu adalah suatu apa namanya ciri atau
There's a
tanda
lot
bagaimana
of-
kita
There's a
selalu
lot
ingin
of
memberikan kepuasan dan kenyamanan pada badan kita. Ya.
That's a problem.
Ya. But,
We,
tetapi Anda
we
sudah
make a lot of
mengambil
things to make
yang menerima
our life
begitu banyak
easier, to give pleasure
sakit
for
dan
our
penderitaan
mind and
gangguan
our senses.
untuk diri saya. Ya. Jadi Sandipani Muni Resi mengatakan
So Sandipani
melihat
Muni
Krishna
said,
dan Balaram menggigil
after
begitu,
saying
ya,
that
dan
Krishna
dia
and
berpuasa
Balaram
mengatakan,
suffering, Sandipani Muni
biasanya orang
feels very
tidak tahan
satisfied.
akan, tapi Anda bersedia untuk menerima
And he
segala
said,
penderitaan
usually
ini hanya
people
untuk
cannot
kepuasan diri saya.
bear this
Hanya untuk melaksanakan perintah
suffering, but
kami
you
sendiri.
tolerate everything only for doing my order.
This is Sat Sishya. Inilah
This is success,
murid Sat Sishya ataupun murid dalam arti yang sebenarnya.
or a real
Krishna
or
telah
a
mengajarkan
true
contoh
Sishya.
yang praktis
Krishna
kepada
already
kita.
gave us a practical example for us.
Ketika Sudama Wipra kemudian
When
pergi ke
Sudama
Dwaraka, beliau
Wipra
melihat temannya,
go to
kemudian
Dwaraka,
Krishna.
he saw Krishna,
Ketika itu
his
beliau
friend.
menjadi raja.
At that time, Krishna
Dan
is a
ingat
king,
kembali
and
ya,
Sudama
ketika
Wipra
hari itu,
remember
sebagai seorang brahmachari di Pandi
that time when
Sandipani Ashram,
they are a
kemudian
student, a
Krishna
Sishya in
mengatakan
Sandipani
sebagai
Muni Ashram, and Krishna said,
Aham ija prajadivyam prajadivyam tapasupasamenawa dusyeyam sarva bhutatma guru susu saya yata. Ya, jadi ini kata yang penting di sini adalah guru susu saya yata. Ya. Saya tidak merasa puas kepada seseorang yang mengikuti aturan dan
not
prinsip-prinsip
satisfied
Sanyasya Dharma,
with person who
ataupun
follow
prinsip
all the
brahmachari,
rules and regulation,
Dharma,
or
ataupun
follow
Grihastha
brahmachari dharma,
ataupun
or grihastha
menjalani
dharma,
kehidupan
or
ketidakterikatan vairagi.
or
Ya.
as a vairagi.
As I am pleased when someone serve his guru. Tapi saya sangat puas
But I
kepada
am very
murid yang
satisfied
selalu
when
ya, siap
a
untuk
sishya
melayani guru. Ya.
very eager to
Jadi
serve his
kalau
guru.
kita sebagai murid selalu siap
As a sishya,
mengorbankan
if you always
segala
ready
kenyamanan dan ya
to give all of
apa namanya
our
tanpa
comfort
memandang penderitaan atas badan kita,
and endure all of the suffering for our body, and we always ready to do our Guru's order, that will make our Gurus very satisfied. We have a lot of example in Veda
yang menjelaskan hal ini, dan akhirnya atas karunia guru
that give
murid
us
itu mendapatkan segala
example of this,
kesempurnaan.
and how a sisya when doing that
Di dalam
they
Guru
get
Astaka juga
a
dijelaskan
perfection
jasad
as a
pesada,
sisya.
jasad pesada naga tikutopi. Dayang tuang jasad tulisannya pandai guru Sri Carana Rabimang.
In Guru Astakam verse 8, Sundaranana Maharaj quote,
Jika
if
kita dapat memuaskan guru perhatian,
we can
secara
give
otomatis
satisfaction
Krishna
to
akan
spiritual
berkuasa.
master, and Krishna also will be satisfied.
Tetapi
But
jika Anda tidak mampu memuaskan
if we
guru,
cannot
Krishna juga
give Guru
tidak
satisfied,
akan berkuasa.
then Guru and Krishna also will not satisfied.
Jasad prasadana gatiku topi.
Yasya prasada nagati
Jika
kutupi.
guru tidak puas,
If Guru is not satisfied,
Anda tidak mempunyai tempat dimanapun di dunia ini.
then you don't have any place in this world. That is very
Betapa
important,
kita harus belajar bagaimana kita
that
dapat
we have to
melayani
learn
dan
how
memuaskan
to
guru
serve
dengan
Guru
sebaik-baiknya.
and how to satisfy Guru.
As a disciple, we have to try our best to please Guru, to follow the Guru instruction nicely and practice it nicely, so Guru will be pleased. If Guru not pleased, with you, so you have no place anywhere in this world. That is the meaning here. Yeah. What will be your destination if Guru displeased? Apa yang akan menjadi tujuan Anda jika Guru tidak puas? Ya, itu said Krishna Rusta, Aile Guru, Raki Bare Pare. If Lord Hari, Krishna is displeased with you, Guru can deliver you. Bahkan jika, Krishna berpuas hati atas apa yang kita lakukan.
Even when Krishna satisfied with whatever we did,
Jika Krishna tidak berpuas hati, tidak senang
even
pada
if
kita,
Krishna is
tapi kita
displeased
memuaskan
with
guru
whatever
kita,
we
Guru dapat
did,
membebaskan diri kita.
but we did it for Guru's pleasure,
Tapi kalau kita tidak bisa
because of
memuaskan
Guru's
guru
instruction,
perhatian, kalau kita
then
membuat
Guru will make
Guru
Krishna
tidak puas,
happy to us.
bahkan Krishna tidak dapat
But
membebaskan
if we do
kita.
something, even though Krishna's
Jadi mana lebih hebat
pleased,
Krishna apa
if
Guru?
Guru is displeased,
Huh?
then Krishna will also displeased. So which one is greater, Guru or Krishna?
Jadi biasanya Guru lebih hebat daripada Krishna.
Here in
Karena Guru
in this
adalah
statement,
penyembah terkasih Krishna.
we can see
Yeah.
that Guru
Dia
is
selalu
greater
lebih
than
senang
Krishna
melindungi
because
penyembahnya
Guru
daripada
is the
kepuasan
best
diri
devotee
sendiri.
of Krishna, and
Yeah.
he did everything for Krishna's pleasure, not for his pleasure.
If Guru is displeased, not even Krishna can deliver you. Jika Guru
If-
tidak puas, bahkan Krishna tidak dapat membebaskan kita semua.
If Guru
Guru
displeased,
sudah highlight
even
Ragu
Krishna
Hari-hari.
cannot deliver you.
This is most important. Inilah hal yang sangat penting sekali. Anda harus mengerti
You
bagaimana
have to
memuaskan
understand
Guru.
how
What
to
Guru want from you, apa yang Guru inginkan
satisfy
dari
Guru.
kalian, dari Anda.
and understand
You
what
should
Guru
do
wants
that
from you.
thing at any cost. Anda harus melakukan hal itu dengan pengorbanan
You have to
apapun,
do that
bahkan
with
jika perlu
any cost,
mengorbankan hidup Anda.
even if you have to sacrifice your life.
Even at the cost of your life. Yeah. As Krishna and Balaram endured bodily suffering to please their Guru, similarly, that is what Guru want from you. Seperti halnya bagaimana Krishna dan
Just like
Balaram
Krishna and Balaram,
mengorbankan kenyamanan dan siap menerima penderitaan
all
untuk
the
badan beliau,
suffering
untuk diri beliau, demi untuk
for his
kepuasan
body,
gurunya.
only
Dan
for
itulah
his
yang
Guru's
Guru
pleasure,
inginkan
and
dari
that
kita.
is what Guru wants from us.
For example, if I say, Guru want a glass of water, di sini Guru sudah mengatakan, dan juga ini sering dikatakan oleh Prabhupada. Sebagai contoh, ketika Guru ingin menyuruh murid untuk membawa ke segelas air, bring me one glass of water. kemudian ketika kita yes guru, ya. Kemudian kita pergi dan berpikir, oh, kenapa saya hanya memberikan
If a guru asks one glass of water and we said yes, guru, and then after when we are going to fetch the water, we think why I should give one glass of water if I can give him juice or milk, and then we bring juice or milk to guru, and then will guru be satisfied? Will guru will think that, oh, he is very clever, I asked for water and he give us milk or juice? Maybe materialistic teacher guru will do that, but Vaisnava guru will want to know, is the Sisha understand what he wants?
Why should be water? Kenapa saya membawa segelas air putih?
Maybe Shishya think why I should bring a glass of milk, if a glass of water if I can give a glass of milk.
Jadi janganlah berspekulasi.
Don't speculate about what guru wants.
Jadi berikutnya guru dan memberikan logika.
Param Buddha Gorgoinda Swami gives one logic.
Beri-beri ya, kambing ya. Domba. Ya. Jadi sekelompok domba itu berjalan menyeberang jalan begitu.
There's one herd of sheep and there's one leader of the sheep.
Ketika domba yang di depan itu
when the
terjun ke jurang,
leader of the sheep throw himself to the cliff, then all the herd of the sheep will also throwing themselves to the cliff. They never think why I have to throw myself through the cliff, because my leader is doing that and I will also do that. This is a bogus guru, not a bona fide guru.
One surrender and destruction for nothing. Jika orang berserah diri pada guru yang
we surrender
benar ataupun bogus guru,
to a bogus guru,
jadi tidak ada nilai apapun yang akan kita
we cannot get any. We will got nothing, no value at all.
He was hypocrite, the follower of Ali, only outwardly posing as a Vaishnava guru. Jadi hanya di luarnya saja menampilkan sebagai Vaishnava guru.
Only outside he is a
Anda
Vaishnava
harus
guru.
berhati-hati sekali.
We have to be very careful
ketika kita ingin menerima
when we want to accept a guru. That is your responsibility.
Jangan berspekulasi.
Don't speculate.
Ya, Anda harus sangat serius. Ya.
You have to be very serious.
Jangan mengikuti
And
Gadalika Srota Nyaya.
don't follow
Gadalika artinya
Gadalika Srota Nyaya. It means like
sekelompok domba. Ya.
Group of lamb or sheep.
If the sheep jump into the ditch, ya, the whole flock will jump into the ditch. Ya, ketika ya domba yang di depan itu ya, terjun ke jurang, semuanya mengikuti.
Sheep leader throwing himself to the cliff, then all of them will throw himself to the cliff. They never think why I have to throw myself.
They think that is nice path. Ketika ya pemimpinnya terjun, yang lain
When the leader
berhukum,
jump,
ya, jalan yang
they
terbaik.
conclude that that is the best way.
Kita hendaknya menggunakan kecerdasan kita.
We have to use our intelligence
Jangan mengikuti logika dari domba ini.
and not following this
Itulah tanggung jawab
sheep
kita.
logical.
Ya, that is your responsibility.
That
Itulah
is
tanggung jawab Anda.
our responsibility.
Anda harus mengembangkan keinginan untuk mencapai Krishna, untuk
You have
mendapatkan
to
Krishna.
develop
you should develop desire to get Krishna. Yeah. That is the protection of human life. Jadi kita
We have to develop
mengikuti
desire
proses dalam Krishna ini.
for getting
Tujuannya hanya
Krishna.
satu, bagaimana kita mendapatkan Krishna.
And in our human
Ketika
life, we
kita
only have
mendapatkan
one goal:
Krishna,
how to
itulah
get
kesempurnaan
Krishna.
hidup kita.
And that is our perfection in life. And also we are given human body only for that purpose, not for material satisfaction or sense satisfaction, because all of that we can get it when we get another body, maybe as a cow, dog, cat, etc. We already satisfied all of our senses in that body, that lower than human body. But human body is given to us only for serving Krishna, because only human body is beneficial for doing Krishna Prema Bhakti, for doing service, because in other body we cannot do seva to Krishna. That is the speciality of human body and human life.
Jadi kita hendaknya belajar bagaimana kita mengembangkan kesadaran
So we have to
kita
learn how develop
mencapai
our consciousness
tingkat kesempurnaan dari perkembangan kesadaran kita yang sebenarnya
until we
tunggal
have
cita-citanya. Artinya
achieve the full
kesadaran kita
blossom
mekar sepenuhnya. Ya.
consciousness.
Itulah kesempurnaan
That
hidup
is
kita
our
sebagai
perfection in life as a
manusia. Jika
human.
seseorang bisa mendapatkan
If
Krishna,
we can get
maka
Krishna,
dia akan mencapai kesempurnaan
then we
tertinggi.
can achieve the highest perfection in his
Itu
life.
artinya dia
That
telah
means that
mencapai Krishna 100%.
He already achieved Krishna 100%, not only 20% or 30% or 50%. No,
100% Krishna.
10%
Kita ingin
Krishna.
mendapatkan Krishna
We
yang
want to get
100%.
100%
Siapa
Krishna.
yang dapat memberikan Krishna
Who
kepada
can
kita
give
100%?
us Krishna
Only
100%?
the person who has it can give. Hanya orang yang sudah mendapatkan Krishna
Only
100%
person who have it can
dapat
give it.
memberikan juga Krishna 100%. Jika orang hanya
If
memiliki 25%, ya,
One
memiliki
person
Krishna
only have
25%,
20%
bagaimana
or
dia dapat memberikan
25%.
100%?
How can he give 100% Krishna to us?
Sering juga di Gurudev mengatakan kalau kita hanya punya
Often Srila Gurudev
ya,
said,
100 rupiah,
if we
bagaimana
only
kita
have
bisa memberikan
100
1.000?
rupiah, how can
Ya,
we
kalau
can
kita
give
memberikan 1.000,
1,000
artinya kita
rupiah?
memberikan cek kosong dari 900.
If we promise to give 1,000, then it means we only give
Kita hendaknya
false check,
berusaha untuk
100,
mendapatkan
900
yang
false check.
seperti itu. Ya. Jangan mengikuti Gadalika Srotanyaya.
Don't follow
Setiap
Gandalika
orang menerima
Stratanyanya.
dia sebagai paramangsa, kita harus ikut.
Oh,
seperti
because
itu.
everybody accept it as Paramahamsa, I have to accept it also.
Nah, itulah tanggung jawab kita.
That is
sebagai
our
manusia
responsibility as a human being.
untuk itu. Nah, ini mungkin sebagai yang terakhir untuk siang ini.
Maybe
cerita
it is
dari,
the last one for this
Sunanda
afternoon.
Gandharwa. Ya.
It's about a story about
Ini adalah setelah Gurudev sering menceritakan ini adalah cerita yang sangat bagus sekali. Ya.
Sunanda
Sunanda
Gandharwa.
Gandharwa. Ya. Jadi ada seorang tukang
There's
cuci pakaian.
One
Ya. Kalau
laundry
sekarang di
man.
seluruh dunia kan berkembang laundry. Ya. Jadi pada zaman kerajaan dulu juga ada laundry, ada tukang cuci khusus untuk keluarga
There's
raja.
one laundryman special handling
Dan
the
dia memiliki
royal family
untuk mengangkut pakaian-pakaian kotor
and
dari
for
istana
transporting all
sampai
the
ke tempat
dirty
cuci,
clothes from the
ke
palace,
sungai ataupun tempat
going to
sumber
the
air seperti
laundry
itu.
place.
Dia menggunakan keledai.
He used donkey.
Nah, keledai kesayangannya
And this
ini karena
donkey
dia sudah
is beloved
lama sekali
donkey
membantu
because he's
menjalani,
very old
tugasnya seperti itu.
and
Dia
doing
berikan
his
nama
job very
Sunanda
long time.
Gandharwa.
He gave the name Sunanda
Nah, kemudian karena
Gandharwa,
sudah lama sekali
and
digunakan,
because
ya,
Sunanda
keledai
Gandharwa
itu makin
used
tua dan akhirnya
for a
suatu
long
hari
time,
keledainya
then this
mati,
donkey is
meninggal,
dead.
ya. Dan dia berpikir,
Then he thinks,
keledai ini sudah
oh,
banyak
this
sekali berjasa
donkey
pada saya.
give me
Jadi,
a lot
sudah
of
seperti bagian dari keluarga.
things. He helped me a
Dan
lot,
menurut
and
tradisi Weda,
he is like a family for me. And in the Vedic tradition, if we have our relatives died, then the whole family will shave their head,
dia mengundur
and he shaved his head,
mengundur kepalanya dan mandi di tempat
and
suci.
he took a bath in the
Ketika
holy
dia
place.
datang ke istana,
When he
dilihat
go
oleh
to the
pendeta
palace, one
kerajaan,
priest,
ya, oleh
the
pujari,
royal priest,
ya, dan berkata,
asked,
ya, kenapa kamu gundul
"Hey
seperti
laundryman,
ini?"
why
Oh
you
ya,
shave
hari
your
ini
head?
adalah hari yang sangat
Oh,
jujur.
because today's is
Karena Sunanda
auspicious
Gandarwa berpulang
day,
hari ini.
because
Oh, iya,
Sunanda
sangat jujur.
Gandarwa
Ya.
leave his body
Maka juga
today.
harus gundul, ya.
Oh, this is auspicious day.
Pendeta kerajaan juga
And then the priest
menggundul
think,
rambutnya
oh,
dan
okay, this is
keluarganya
auspicious
seperti
day, then I will shave my
Kemudian
head
ketika
also.
Perdana Menteri, para
When the
menteri
prime
melihat,
minister and
ya,
all the
pendeta kerajaan
ministry
itu gundul, dan keluarganya
saw
juga
that
gundul
the
seperti
royal
itu. Oh, apa yang
priest
terjadi?
shaved
Kenapa
his
Anda
head,
gundul? Oh,
they
hari ini
asked,
adalah
why
hari
you
yang
shave
sangat
your
jujur.
head? Oh, because this is
Apa yang
an
terjadi?
auspicious
Sunanda
day,
Gandarwa
because Sunanda
meninggal.
Gandarwa is
Oh, ya,
leaving his
sampai
body. Oh, okay, this is an auspicious day, then we will shave our head also and take bath in the holy
Kemudian dia
place.
datang menghadap raja.
And then
Raja bertanya
the
kepada
prime minister go to the
kepada Perdana Menteri, "Kenapa Anda
to
mundur?"
the king, and the
Oh,
king
hari ini
asked,
hari yang sangat
why
jujur,
you shave
Tuanku.
your head?
Ada apa yang
Because this
terjadi?
is auspicious day. What
Ini
happened?
Sunanda Gandarwa yang
Because
meninggal.
Sunanda Gandarwa is leaving the body. Oh, Sunanda Gandarwa leaving the body. Oh, this is an auspicious day. Should I shave my head also? Then prime minister said, yes, you have to shave your head also. Then the king also shaved his head and take a bath in the holy place. And then the king met the queen, and the queen is very smart. And then the queen asked, what happened? Why you shave your head? Oh, because today Sunanda Gandarwa leaving the body, and this we have to shave our head. And the queen asked, who is Sunanda Gandarwa? And then the king said, I don't know, I only heard and I did it. And then the king asked the prime minister and the ministry, and they said, who is Sunanda Gandarwa? Oh, I don't know, only because we heard it from the priest. And they called the priest, and the priest said, asked, who is Sunanda Gandarwa? And the priest said, oh, I heard it from the laundryman. And the laundryman is called, and so laundryman being asked by the priest, who is Sunanda Gandarwa? And laundryman said, oh, king, Sunanda Gandarwa is my donkey. I raised it from very small, and he helped me a lot. He helped me to transport all the dirty clothes to the river or the washing place. And because I think he is my relative, then I shave my head. I take bath in the holy place. And all of them do the morning ceremony for a donkey. So that's why when we are receiving information, we have to receive it from the right source, not only take information from incompetent person. Then that is very important for us. And when we'll start to learn in Krishna consciousness, we have to fix our mind and only depend on Guru, Sadhu and Sastra. Because Sadhu, Guru and Sastra will never cheat us. That's why we have to learn from Sadhu, Guru and Sastra. So Srila Gurudev said, cry for Krishna, cry for Guru.
Bagaimana kita untuk mendapatkan guru kerohanian yang bonafide?
How we should, what we should do for getting a bona fide guru? We should cry in our heart because we don't know who is a guru. We cannot
Kalau kita bisa menilai guru,
understand who
berarti
is
kita
the guru.
guru daripada guru.
If we can judge who is a guru, then we are more than a guru.
Semua acarya,
That's
semua,
why all the
guru
acharya
acarya terdahulu
and Guru
mengatakan,
Acharya,
kita
previous
akan
Acharya,
menangis dari hati kita.
said we have to
Dan
cry in
ketika
our
Krishna
heart.
mendengarkan
And when Krishna
yang
heard
ketulusan hati kita, tangisan kita,
our
maka Krishna akan
crying,
mengirim guru yang bona fide untuk menuntut kita.
then Krishna will send bona fide guru,
Kita sebagai Chaitya guru.
because Krishna also in our heart as Chaitya Guru. If we really cried in our heart, then Chaitya Guru or Paramatma in our heart will heard about it,
Beliau akan memenuhi
and he will fulfill it. He will give what we wish for. So
akan akhiri sampai di sini,
we will end it
ya, dan
here.
karena tadi juga sudah perjalanan cukup panjang,
Because
ya.
we already took a
Maka kita
long
akhiri
journey,
sampai di sini, dan
we will end it now.
sudah waktu untuk pesan siang.
And it's also noon time
Ini adalah
prasadam.
pelayanan yang terbaik untuk
This
kita
is the
semua.
best prasadam for us. Best sewa for
Kalau
us
ada
is
pertanyaan,
prasadam.
silakan. Ya,
If you have any question, please ask.
malam kita bisa lanjutkan lagi.
Maybe we will continue this night.
Ya.
Kalau kita
Question from Sri Vatsa Prabhu. If we get story from Guru,
berusaha melaksanakan
if we get order from Guru, but we cannot do it nicely because of a lot of things,
tidak perfect, tidak sempurna,
and he cannot execute the order perfectly, what will happen to him?
Yang penting kita berusaha semaksimal
Answer,
yang kita mampu.
as long as we tried our best,
Berhasil ataupun tidak, serahkan
if
kepada
we successful
Guru
or
dan
not,
Krishna.
we
Ya.
just let Guru and
Kalau kita
Krishna.
serius untuk melakukannya,
If we are very serious to do it,
pasti Guru Krishna,
then Guru
Paramatma akan
Krishna
memberikan
and
jalan
Paramatma
untuk
will give us a
kita.
way
Apapun sulit,
to
pasti
execute that
akan,
order,
ya,
even though that
diberikan
order is
jalan.
very difficult to
Tapi
do.
kita hendaknya berusaha
But we have to try
semaksimal
our
kemampuan
best
kita, ya, untuk melakukan
To execute
apa yang sudah diperintahkan oleh Guru.
the order
Sekecil
of the
apapun
Guru.
yang bisa kita lakukan.
even very small we can do.
Daripada
We
tidak
have
sama
to
sekali.
try to do it.
Seperti kita tahu, Sripad Maharaj
Just like we know that Sripad Maharaj want us to have one center in Surabaya, then Prabhu and Mataji in Surabaya tried to keep this center continue until today, and hopefully it will be continued. Even though our center is small because of our condition, and we cannot do also preaching outside, but if we are very eager to do the preaching and to do,
kita buat program minimal seminggu sekali mungkin.
even though we cannot do preaching outside, but at least 1 week maybe we can do book distribution or food for life. We also have program every week. So this mercy is not contained in only this small place. If we are very eager to spread our movement, then Gauranga Mahaprabhu and Gurudev will see it, then they will give us opportunity to do, to spread it wider.
Terutama di Jakarta sudah tetap berlanjut ya, di restoran kita
For
di
food,
Jakarta.
for
Setiap minggu,
life
setiap Sabtu
in
mereka
Jakarta,
membuka
every Saturday
tempat
they
yang
do
besar,
food for
life.
life.
Masyarakat di sana.
And also they have one
Di-
resto,
di Bali
Govinda
juga sekarang
Mahabahu
sudah
resto.
mulai
In Bali
bersemangat,
also,
ya, di waktu
devotees
Bali
in
sudah
Bali
pasang sekarang
starting to
mereka
active
membuat
again
program
to
Food
make
for
a
Life.
food for life program.
Ya. Jadi ya, mudah-mudahan tahap demi tahap
Hopefully,
kita bisa
step by step,
apa namanya mengembangkan ini
we
menjadi
can
luar lagi. Jadi,
increase it.
Nah, karena kalau ketika kita tidak mampu memberikan
When we
buku,
cannot
kawan, dan
give
sebagainya, paling
books
tidak mereka menerima
or
hanya
knowledge,
pesan ini.
at least they get
Dengan
persada.
menerima persat mereka pasti akan berubah
By
seperti itu.
receiving
Karena
persad,
kita yakin
they
bahwa
will change because we
apapun yang
believe that
dipersembahkan pada
everything
Guru,
that
kepada
offered to
Krishna,
Guru and Krishna
dengan ketulusan dan kesucian hati kita,
with
ketika Krishna menerimanya itu
purity
menjadi rohani.
and sincerely,
Ya.
then Krishna
Maka
will make
siapapun
it
yang tersentuh oleh
transcendental.
Mahaprasad, dia juga
So
hatinya akan
everybody who
disucikan.
touch Mahaprasad, then his heart also cleans.
Mulai dari yang kecil,
Start from
Ya.
very small thing,
sekecil apapun yang bisa dilakukan.
even very small, just do it.
Prabu Tirta masih jual, ya. Jadi buah dan apapun
It's
alat-alat
like
yang akan
Tirtha
dipakai
Prabhu
untuk
selling juice,
apa namanya untuk
and
jualan
Sundarana
itu
Nanda
semuanya
Maharaj
harus
said
dipersembahkan.
all the fruits offered
Supaya
first
semuanya
to
menjadi Mahaprasad.
deities,
Ketika
then
semuanya mendapatkan
everything become
Mahaprasad,
Mahaprasad,
ya,
then
tidak
sell it.
memandang siapapun itu karena
So when everybody get the
semua jiwa
Mahaprasad,
adalah percikan kecil dari Krishna,
even though
adalah Krishna jiwa.
they are in other religion, because all
Kalau
jiwas is
dalam hidup ini, dalam hidup berikutnya mereka akan
small particle of Krishna, then they will get the chance. They also get the Bhakti Sukriti. If someone get Mahaprasad, then they get Bhakti Sukriti. Then automatically later they will get opportunity to become a devotee. Is there any other question?
Kalau tidak, kita akhiri sampai di sini ya.
No, we will end our class today. Hare
Srila
Krishna.
Prabhupada ki jai, Srila Gurudev ki jai. All glories to Sri Guru. All glories to Sri Guru. All glories to Sri Guru and Sri Gauranga. Nitai Guru Premanami.
Prabu, saya mohon maaf.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Ada sesuatu yang ingin saya sampaikan
Ya,
berkaitan dengan center di Probolinggo.
ya.
Kebetulan center itu kan sekarang ditempati Rama Prabu Sena dan
Ya.
istrinya. Kelihatannya sering minta donasi kemana-mana, dan saya sering dilapori sama saudara-saudara yang ada di Bali bahwa mereka telah mengirim A, mengirim B, mengirim C ke sana, tapi itu tidak ada laporannya. Sekarang yang aktif di sana ini saudara saya sama Prabu Surya. Kalau memang Prabu Sena terusan begitu kan memalukan nama saya gitu kan.